Here's a fun one. A KeyTronic keyboard of unknown origin. Yes, this was part of, I believe, Lot 230 of the Frenchtown, New Jersey auction, July of 2020. Again, acquired from Jason Bonanno. Thank you very much. This was one of his bonuses, which I highly appreciate. I don't know what this goes to, but I like it because I have other KeyTronic keyboards that are part of terminals I'm restoring, and this bears some similarity to them, but only because they're KeyTronic and have these optical key switches, you know, their trademark thing there. Now let's have a look. On first glance, I'm going to wonder if this is definitely to a cash register or other point of sale system, because, you know, we have a void there and an end of day and a reprint. Those seem to be point of sale kind of things. The rest, maybe not so much. Interesting thing I notice, since keys are a thing to many of us, look at that, the blue of that key. It's a little off from the bluish green of these. Wonder why. Maybe it's newer, different manufacture process, or maybe for some reason this one wasn't exposed to sunlight and all the rest of them were, because if you looked here, you know, you can kind of see that the base of this might be a similar color to that. Anyway, KeyTronic 65-037511. Don't have any idea how to cross-reference those numbers, even on machines that I own. Have a look at our 7400 logic chips. I haven't cleaned this off. Thankfully, it isn't that dirty. You know, it looks like there's kind of an oily film on these. You see that? And that's exactly what it is, an oily film. So it looks like they got maybe some oil of some kind got on this side of the keyboard. But anyway, 7403, 7402, 7327, 7403, 7436. Yeah, it's kind of fun. What else do we have here? That's a 7352. Whoops. 7352, 7352, 7346. All kinds of fun. We'll have a look at these chips over here. 7327, 7346, 48, 27, 46, 36. One hidden underneath the what evidently is the channel bar, the aluminum channel bar trademark for stiffening up these boards by KeyTronic, because other KeyTronic keyboards I have the exact same thing. As a matter of fact, here's one now that I took off another KeyTronic keyboard. Look at that. Similar, not identical, because it's a different keyboard. But anyway, seems to be their normal operation there. 7432. What's this one? Oh, it's a 7407. Whoops, 7407 there. 7432. 7349. A few beautiful capacitors there. Okay, 0.022. Anyway, let's have a look at the back. Very beautiful. We have this cool little plug right here. Looks like that's probably for ground, one would hope. Goes right there. Stiff mounting brackets. Alright, so we have a 980, and on ink we have the 01 there, dated 74. which seems to be the right vintage for these fantastic keyboards. Here's our PCB number, if anyone could ever find a cross-reference for it. There we go. Well, anyway, someone tell me what this is for, because I would just love to see it reunited with the machine it belongs to, because it seems to be in pretty good condition. Really good keyboard. And it's all here, right? We're not missing any keys. There's minimal damage. You know, I dare say, you know, maybe even no damage. You know, a little scuffing right here. But I mean, on a keyboard this old, a commercial keyboard, industrial keyboard, it's just in really, really, really good shape. I think it's quite beautiful. Definitely a thing of beauty. Something I notice, the 0 has a dot in the middle, if that's even a 0. Because it almost looks like it isn't, you know, because usually O's are perfectly circular and zeros are kind of oval, a vertical oval when you look at most fonts. But here, I don't know what that is. Isn't that weird? Someone tell me what that is for. This, of course, we recognize. So, clearly, whatever this was for, you could send email on it, because that's what that's for. Ha ha. Obviously not. But, you know, it is... And, you know, you don't see that actually very often. Well, yeah, you do. I'm looking at another keyboard right here next to me, and sure enough, there it is right there on that keyboard. And that keyboard, sure enough. So, forget I said that. Of course you see it very often. But what I think is unique is that it's its own key here. That's what I meant by don't see that very often. Anyway. Well, there we go. There we go. There it is. The KeyTronic keyboard. 65-0375-11. Mystery keyboard. What's it for? Thing of beauty. And once again, thanks for watching.